That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. We are in my under the stairs closet, and as you can see, it is junky, full of toys, because this is Lucas's little playroom, and I'm going to be revamping it, giving it a refresh and decluttering everything. But I really just want you guys to see what it was that I was working with, because for time and just moving around, I just went ahead and decluttered it off camera. I gave a lot of toys away, and I also threw some away because they were just too tiny and tedious to deal with. But this is what it looks like, all cleaned out and a clean slate for me. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is tackling the fact that this closet does not come with any lighting. So I had to figure out what I want to do this time around for this refresh. And I just went on Amazon and I found some puck lights, and they are remote controlled, and I love that about them. I did get a pack of 2. In the beginning, you will see me, I'm only going to use one at the start of this, but I just want to show you guys how great they are. They are dimmable. I'm going to show you how they look dimmed all the way down, and I'm going to dim them all the way back up. I love it. The remote came with batteries included, but the puck light themselves, they do take, I think it was 3 AAA batteries. Correct me if I'm wrong. I will have them linked in my description box for you guys. But as for storage, I also went to Amazon and I found not one, but a set of 2 storage units. The little boxes or the storage bins that I ordered, they are so cute, but they are super stinky. They smell like a bag of trash with some extra stuff included, if you know what I'm saying. And this is just the insert that keeps the bins sturdy and expandable. And I just love the color. And I also went ahead and bought the, I guess, sister bins for them, because I will be using those on the top shelf of the storage closet. I wanted some place for the things that were already there after I decluttered them to go, and they match very well. They didn't come with an insert, so you just have to make it work or stuff like a blanket in it to make them sturdier. But this is what the bins look like inside of the storage unit. They are inside, but they have no room to move. If I pulled it, the whole unit came down with it. But the storage bins that I bought for the top shelf in the closet, they fit very nicely. And moving on to the wall art, I am going to be using this chalk paint on the picture frames that I use from my accent wall in my kitchen. And the paint is a gorgeous color, but I will say that after the second coat, I did notice that if I scratched it on accident, it did remove some of the paint. So if you have these in a high traffic area, think about sealing them. I wouldn't know what to tell you to use, but like I said, I did enjoy the paint color, and I will be using it again for future projects. But as far as the inserts that you see, these are some Etsy downloads, and they were like $3 a piece, and I just really wanted something educational for him to look at, and I think that they came out great. I printed them at home on my printer, and yeah, I love them. You should definitely check out Etsy for downloadables. And as far as this rug you see, I did purchase it from Rugs USA, and this is his black velvet backrest. Everything looks so cute. These are the new units that I bought. It's a 4-box organizer. I'll have it linked in the description box, but I purchased it from Amazon. And these are some of my favorite Montessori toys for him. They're so colorful. He loves them. We like to go fishing, and yeah, I thought they needed to be displayed because they're just so cute. If I bought any of this from Amazon, I'll try to link it in my description box, so just look in my description box. And I also want to show you guys that I did add the second light to the side of the door because it gave it a whole lot more brightness. And this is the debut. Little Lucas is going to be seeing his room for the first time. Surprise! Do you love it? Okay. Okay. You love it?
I have to count some fish.
You do have to count some fish.
10.
Good job. I'm so glad you like it, and happy birthday. He calls his little room Lucas's clubhouse. He said, "Mommy, this is my new clubhouse." So that's what I wrote on his dry erase board. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video enough to give it a big thumbs up. I'm very excited about the way it turned out. I never had anything like this growing up. I never even had my own bedroom growing up as a child, so I'm just so excited that I could give this to my child, and hopefully Logan will play in here with him as well. Until my next video, make sure you subscribe with that notification bell turner, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.